Hi everyone, welcome to Tech TV. Today I'm gonna guide you through how to delete TrustWallet account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your TrustWallet account, then follow the steps. Tap open your TrustWallet application and make sure that you're logged in. From the main home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner and click on the Wallets option at the very top. Now, simply swipe the main wallet tab towards the left side of the screen and you'll be able to see an option that says Delete. Tap on the Delete button in the pop-up, but if you ever want to get back to your wallet, then make sure that you have backed up your wallet. Once you tap Delete, you'll be able to end up in the main home page of TrustWallet. That means you have deleted your account. If you don't reactivate your account or if you don't log in back to your account within 30 days, your wallet will be deleted permanently. If you ever wish to reactivate TrustWallet account, then from the main home page, tap on I already have a wallet and choose multi-coin wallet. Enter your secret phrases that you have backed up previously for your deleted wallet and tap on the import button to get back to your account again. That was how you can easily delete your TrustWallet account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.